Hey guys, welcome to the Top 5 List channel. Are you looking best bicycle derailleur in this video? I will show you the top 5 best bicycle derailleurs to buy right now on your budget. You can check out the links in the description box. Also, make sure you subscribe, up to date with the latest video. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Number 5 is Wheeltop EDSOX. Specifications: brand name, Wheeltop. Model number, Wheeltop EDSOX. Derailleur Groupset type, electronic derailleur system. Gears, 12 speed. Material, alloy. Type, rear derailleur. Number 4 is Wheeltop bicycle parts. Specifications: derailleur Groupset type, electronic derailleur system. Type, rear derailleur. Components, derailleurs. Aluminum alloy for durability and strength. Instant shifting with wireless EDS technology. Compatible with 7 to 13 speed rear derailleurs. As the item number 3, we've selected new SRAM S1000. Specifications: brand name, SRAM. Model number, S1000 series. Derailleur Groupset type, electronic derailleur system. Total capacity, 10 to 52 T. Gears, 12 speed. Material, alloy. Type, rear derailleur. Origin, TW origin. Number 2 is Wheeltop EDSOX. Specifications: brand Wheeltop. Name, EDS electronic transmission. Material, carbon dimension plus composite. Speed range, supports 7 to 13 speed gear flywheel. Weight, long legs, about 400 g, short legs, about 405 g, ultra short legs, about 387 g. Rear dial battery, 800 mAh. On the top of our list at number 1 we have Wheeltop EDS. Specifications: model number, GX. Derailleur Groupset type, electronic derailleur system. Gears, 12 speed. Material, aluminum. Type, rear derailleur. Components, derailleurs. Warranty period, 1 year. Origin, mainland China.